Hello, 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 hello. Okay, okay, I think that's good. How can we go back to be a friend? We just share love. Hello. Okay, so we're going to back on. For that, Pointed. Patok call. yung mga nag-mix kasi mga nag-mix. Should have a different mix to use. That's the main thing. Oh, makes sense.
Sapat na sa'kin ang ganito, oh. Ang pagmasdan ka
So we need to import
sa malayo,
the new gene. I don't know if this is updated.
kapag
5
kinausap,
years different Geno TBI packages
walang
before.
masagot.
But for us, I remember with my
Hiningay
separate
lagot,
example here. So I can just go with
hindi
learning.
naman yata ika mamatay
So
kung
I think I
hindi
have this one.
ko mawakan ng iyong kamay. Handa kong mabuhay sa aking kalokohan. Kung wala ka sa aking buhay, walang kalungkutan.
I think
Munting
the
ligayang
brain,
iyong hatid
Civil,
tuwing dahan-dahan kang darating. Kagandahan,
yeah, I've used different Geno TBI.
masisilayan, dahan-dahang lilisan. Hindi ko naman yata ika mamatay kung hindi ko mawakan ng iyong kamay. Handa kong harapin ang kasinungalingan. Kung wala ka sa aking buhay, walang kakulangan.
Intimate games.
Sapat
Client
na sa
here.
akin
Invalid life. Why it is invalid life sa CTX. Gene and client config. Okay, of course.
hindi na
Okay, so if there equal to nil,
ako'y
then we
maligaya.
control that digital.
Sapat na sa akin.
Then in this one, we need to use the model. Probably gonna use 1.5 GB. But for now,
Di na asa
probably need to use this. I think when I use like a normal text, there's a bunch of text inside the editing. Or we need to use the like I have read I read a comparative analysis or like from this okay, so what's that? This one. So I read this one. It's about like adaptive contextual comparison. It was actually like no, not this one. Yeah, this one. So cash compounding generation. It was actually introduced here and now like how it's like more capable than the drug or developmental generation. Because I was actually kind of skeptical since large context takes a lot of token. That means when there's a lot of token, there's so much thing or this it means that it's not cheap. You need to pay for more context. That's why every time because it's gonna reload everything. Like for example we have this data. For example we have this data. So we have a data here. Wait, we have the data here. This is the data. Now in the incog, wait, incog, you have this data. You have this data. Now you need to use this data or the documents inside the LLM. So we have the AI. So you have the AI right here. You need to give that document to the AI. And if you want to like going to like get the data, you're going to do that process many times as your user want this data or want you want an accurate data. And this document has a lot of context. Like for example, it has over like 100,000 token. That takes up 100,000 token. And if you're going to use GPT or GPT API, it's gonna cost you a lot. GPT is not or even Claude. So that's why I'm going to use Gemini for this one. But rather I need to like a proper design architecture in this one so that I can actually like plan on how I'm going to have a cheaper and more efficient AI for the CivilPrep. And it's gonna take a while since I'm gonna study for this. And yeah, so just like in this one, so it uses different method or the methodology here. So it uses different method. The first method is we call external knowledge preloading. So this is what I mean. So we have the documents relevant to the target computation. It's gonna be pre-processed the document. Then it's gonna be formatted to fit the model extended context window. So for example, so it's gonna be like the context window is like this a limited context window for a certain LLM. So you need to be aware of it. And yeah, we have here. So let's just like in this one, we have actually like pre-processed documents. We have it as D. Then the KV is as our like a normal KV cache or the key value for the pre-computing we have here. And the second one after that is the inference. So during the inference, the pre-computed KV cache is loaded alongside the user query. So this one, you have another cache. So it's like a different from the document you have. So it's gonna take a while for the AI to take those data from your like for example your database. So it's need to have caching. That's why it's use KV cache. I'm gonna probably use Redis for this one for caching to make it easier for me. And yeah, that's how it works. It's gonna be utilized utilize this cache context to generate responses. So it's gonna be the you have the KB cache and Q as the query, then you have the M. So R is gonna be the result, or I think it's gonna be coded resetting. So by providing this linear knowledge, this basis and it's trivial latency. That's true, because in the RAG or retrieval augmented generation, you need to retrieve the data. So it uses vector database and embedded. You need to use retrieval first before you get actually the data you want. And reduces the risk of errors or omission. Yes, this is actually true. Because in RAG also you need to use it has also need accuracy. The combined prompt of concat, that means concatenation is gonna be like join them together, external knowledge and user query. Yes. Like for example, you have like a, what is science? You have the user query in this one. Now your data, your document is in here. So this is your document. Now they're going to get concatenated to be one document query to your AI. It's gonna be the full context of it. It's gonna be the full context of all your data and your data sets or your documents. That's how it works. And also, so we have the cache reset, of course. So like since every time you get responses, every time you get a response, it's going to get reset because you don't want to use the data that is not actually like updated. So it's going to reset and restore or like save another data that is a recent data or like updated data. So cache stored in memory can be reset efficiently. So there's are two ways to store the cache. So first one is going to be stored on your disk, that means on your storage stuff. The second one is going to be stored on your memory. Memory is like you don't have to worry, but you need to worry about that it's not going to last forever because in the memory it's going to be reset. That's what you're gonna do with that. So that's what you like. You need to remember that one. And cache actually stored in memory can be reset efficiently. That's true. The QV cache goes unappended only manner with new tokens T1, T2, T3 sequentially appended. Resetting involved truncating, yes. New tokens. It's gonna be replacing new details. This allows the rapid reinitialization without reloading the entire cache from the test, ensuring sustained speed and responsiveness. Actually, I don't quite understand this one. Rapid initialization without reloading the entire cache from the test. I need to study actually the truncating part.
Mapapawi ang iyong uhaw sa unang pagkakataon.
Probably gonna study this one, but that's the process. So it's gonna reduce. So after this process, it's gonna the proposed methodology offers several significant advantage over traditional RAG system. That is gonna reduce inference time by eliminating the need for real-time retrieval. That's true, because in RAG you need retrieval. That's what it is. Retrieval augmented generation. Inference must become faster and more efficient, enabling quicker responses and queries. Unified context. Preloading the entire knowledge connection into the LLM providers. This is why I'm skeptical about this idea. Because let's say that the context or the amount of token that you can use on an LLM is getting bigger and bigger over time. Like for example in Gemini, you can use 2 million token for the context. And yeah, it's good, but rather not good actually at the same time. Since you're going to preload every time the data itself. So what I'm gonna do is gonna try another another way to reduce the actual the use of context or the tokens to have a cheaper and of course more efficient AI. So coherent understanding the document result in improved response quality and consistency. Unified context, preloading the entire knowledge collection niya, yeah. Siyempre, very mabig din ito, integrate the retrievers and generators. Yes, because when you're dealing with wealth, you're going to deal with complexity. That's true. And looking forward to approach the LLMs as future continuous experiment. So we have actually the the analysis of the result in this one. So I'm gonna use for the test for the hotpot QE. So I think it was discussed that what is hotpot QE. Wait, what was that? It wasn't. So it's just like a data set. Squad and hotpot QE is a data set. So for example, we have small. This hotpot QE and squad is used for like training data to test the capability of the AI. So for example, we have 16, which is need of 21 tokens, and QE pairs is 1,300. You get the point. So the experiment here, same way as the process that it was stated earlier. We have the tested static summarized in table 1. It's this one. Now the experiment is related to this is this is overkill. This eight GPUs is overkill. This is actually way too much horsepower. Now the business, so we have here business system. So this is where the business system. Sparse retrieval system. This is actually used for the RAG. Then we have the dense retrieval system since for the RAG. Then we have the result. So we have the result in the discussion here. So for example, the sparse RAG, which is RAG also, RAG, and we have the CAG. Now in the result and hardpath QE datasets, in the using BERT LLM, you have, as you can see, dense it only have 0.7 score. In this one, you have 0.265. But what is our experiment conducted with the both squad and hotpot QE datasets evaluated once in says in the both experiment the proposed method of product system or proposed acquisition bird score in the boss. Okay. The size, okay. Oh, this is attack accuracy. This is promising. This is actually promising score. Comparison generation time. So this is where it's gonna get like what we want, because generation time is very crucial when you're actually in the LLM part on like we have our platform. Like how much time it takes for the AI to generate those answers, or how much time for the AI to give us the response that we want. So in this one, and the COG actually give like a promising result. So we have the COG, it's only less than a second without COG, which is 9 seconds. But it would be good if the comparison is between COG and RAG. Like comparing to what's actually the really differentiation of COG and RAG. Because if we say without COG, this means that it's just a normal queries or responses without using a RAG. right? So the large, it's actually, but anyways, but it's actually really promising. We have a promising result. So, conclusion, a long complex element involved represent compelling case for reverting to the general workflow. While our work emphasizes eliminating the triple latency, there is a potential for hybrid approach here that puts a hybrid approach of CAG and RAG, but I don't want to use CAG and RAG because it's gonna get more complex. I'm gonna use this. And let's go coding. So we have model name, yeah, from the document. Document, we have the error, then that one, then the client, that files, that upload, upload from file, upload from file, ctx, then media, e11.tx. In AI, ano, ano, tab 12, 12, pilay mo man eh. Hmm? Um, yeah, yeah. Ano ba?
Noong ika'y
Okay.
dumaan, anong nakita ko hindi ko alam, basta naramdaman, basta natuklasan. Ang boses mo'y wari,
I'm gonna copy this one.
pulong ng puno sa umagang kay tahimik, at dun ko narinig ang awit ng pag-ibig. Kakakain ako kung puro ikaw ang nasa isip ko. Ang hiraya mo sa araw-araw ko. At kahit mawala ka pa, hindi mawawala. Ang damdamin ko'y sayong-sayo. Ang damdamin ko'y sayong-sayo. I'll be the one that stays till the end, and I'll be the one that needs you again, and I'll be the one that proposes in a garden of roses and truly loves you long after our curtain closes. But will you still love me when nobody wants me around? When I turn 81 and forget things, will you still be proud? 'Cause I am the one that's waited this long, and I am the one that might get it wrong,
Can I use please?
and I'll be the one that will love you the way I'm still love me when nobody wants me around. Around when I turn
Okay.
81
Hold on.
and forget things, will you still be proud?
Wait. I'm gonna do this.
Proud of me and my short list of accomplishments. Say,
I'm gonna
me and
use the theme
my
music.
lack of new news. Me and my selfishness, or me and myself wish you nothing but a happy new version of you. Because
I'm gonna add Gemini. So I'm gonna turn off the video first.
I want you to tell me you find it hard to be yourself, so I can say it's gonna be alright. Yeah. And I want you to love me the way you love your family, the way you love to show me what it's like to be happy.
So gonna go to local Gemini Studio to get the video.
I can't be your love. Look is too trivial
Oh,
for you now. Oh, my life is falling apart. Maybe no one will notice if I disappear.
another config. Upload profile,
Pray for you
flash content, flash mail.
all the time. If
when you're about to run this one, so example, this is go run. You said the cash context is too small. Total token is 800, so it's gonna have a minimum of 296. That's the minimum token. Okay, so we need actually more token than the before. This one is good. It's good enough token. See, this is finally try this one. I think it's not still not good enough. Yeah, it's still too small. The minimum. Oh, so since I'm using 2.0, okay. So how about we're gonna use the 2.5 large? Total 2.0 and then share posted. Okay. How can we do it like cash model? Where's the main? Like I'm gonna add like total for main total. So we use this main. Cash break, yes. Oh, trade that. Let's try that one. Client, minimum. just want like to know about minimum and not minimum token. So tokens are going to corrupt like this. So tokens, so 1,000 tokens would calculate to 4,000 packets. Try setting the token limit to something like 243. So client, oh, so before this one, let's just do client. Max. Ito max. There's no actually minimum. We don't have a choice here. The choice we have is to actually beyond this one. The only choice we have. question. Huh? You mean? So confusing. Five. Okay. Before. There should be more. Remember, total cash content storage token 3 or maybe should I reset? Let's consider list of cash. Okay. Oh, should I? Post more. Okay. Maybe I should just get the cash. Like, I'm gonna list all the cash available. With a function for that. And yes, damn it. Limit here. And we think we did the cash. With the cash. How about this? Client cash. If I need oh,
forever until you wanna sit it out.